Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from WeeklyTools. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest in automotive technology and tools. Are you tired of confusing check engine lights and expensive trips to the mechanic? Do you want to take control of your heavy-duty truck's health and save some serious cash? Then buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the NEXAS NL102 heavy-duty truck scanner, and also ANCEL X7HD heavy-duty truck scanner. Your one-stop shop for diagnosing and maintaining your beast on wheels. Let's get started. For professional truck mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike, the NEXAS NL102 heavy-duty truck scanner stands as a compelling option for those seeking a comprehensive and versatile diagnostic tool. Its robust feature set, user-friendly interface, and upgradability make it a valuable asset for professionals and truck enthusiasts alike. If you're serious about keeping your rig in top condition, the NL102 is definitely worth considering. This ain't your average code reader. The NL102 packs a serious punch, supporting all major heavy-duty truck brands and protocols like J1587, J1939, and J1708. Whether you're rocking a Cummins, Detroit, Freightliner, International, Paccar, or something else entirely, this scanner has your back. Features and benefits. But what makes the NL102 so special? Let's break it down. Full system diagnostics. Forget guessing games. This scanner dives deep into your truck's engine, transmission, ABS, ESP, fuel system, and more, pinpointing issues with laser precision. DPF regeneration. Stuck with a clogged diesel particulate filter? No sweat. The NL102 lets you initiate forced DPF regons, saving you time and money at the shop. Oil reset and sensor calibration. Tired of annoying oil life reminders? Reset them with a tap and even calibrate various sensors for optimal performance. HD and OBD compatibility. Not just for big rigs, the NL102 doubles as a powerful OBD scanner for your car or light truck, making it a truly versatile tool. User-friendly interface. No need for an engineering degree. The NL102 boasts a clear, intuitive interface with multilingual support, making it easy to navigate and understand. Durable and portable, built to withstand the toughest environments, this scanner is your go-to companion on the road, thanks to its compact size and rugged design. Now, let's see this action. Imagine you're on a long haul, and your check engine light comes on. Instead of panicking, you whip out the NL102, scan the code, and instantly identify the culprit of faulty sensor. With a few clicks, you clear the code and recalibrate the sensor, getting back on the road in minutes, saving yourself a costly detour. Or maybe your DPF is clogged, putting your truck in limp mode. No problem. The NL102 guides you through a forced regeneration process, keeping your emissions clean and your performance optimal. NEXAS Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner NL102. Pros and cons. Pros. Comprehensive system coverage. Supports multiple truck brands. User-friendly interface. Affordable price. Enhanced features. Cons. Software updates might be needed. Limited car compatibility. Limited customer support. Build quality concerns. Overall, the NEXAS NL102 can be a valuable tool for mechanics and fleet owners working with heavy-duty trucks. It offers comprehensive system coverage, supports multiple brands, and comes with various features depending on the version. If you need advanced functionalities or extensive customer support, a professional-grade scanner might be a better fit. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a fleet owner, or a weekend warrior who loves tinkering with your truck, the NEXAS NL102 is a game-changer. Next, the ANCEL X7HD Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner. X7HD is a professional-grade diagnostic scanner specifically designed for heavy-duty trucks and semi-trucks. It's packed with features that let you diagnose, troubleshoot, and even repair a wide range of issues, from simple check engine lights to complex engine and transmission problems. Here are the key features of the ANCEL X7HD Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner. 10-inch touchscreen, large, bright, and responsive for easy use, even with greasy fingers. Full system diagnostics, scans all major systems, including engine, brakes, ABS, seniors, and more. 15+ reset services, resets oil service lights, tire pressure monitors, and other systems. OBD2 diagnostics covers all standard OBD2 functions for gas and diesel vehicles. Wireless VCI connects to your truck wirelessly for added convenience. Also, its support 11+ language. When using this device, if there is a situation that cannot be diagnosed, you can directly feedback the problem to our service team by clicking feedback on the main screen. Here are some benefits for you. Save money. Diagnose and fix problems yourself instead of paying dealership fees. Reduce downtime. Quickly identify and solve issues to get your truck back on the road faster. Peace of mind. Know exactly what's going on with your truck and take control of its maintenance. Advanced features. Perform tasks that many other scanners can't handle. ANCEL X7HD Heavy-Duty Truck Scanner. Pros and cons. Pros. Extensive vehicle coverage. Comprehensive diagnostics. User-friendly interface. Advanced features. Safety benefits. Cons. Not for personal vehicles. Potential software updates. Limited warranty. Overall, the ANCEL X7HD is a powerful and versatile scanner for diagnosing and maintaining heavy-duty trucks. If you're a professional technician, fleet manager, or serious truck owner who needs advanced features and broad vehicle coverage, it's a worthwhile investment. However, if you're a casual user or only need basic diagnostics for your personal truck, a less expensive option might be sufficient. The ANCEL X7HD is perfect for truck owners, DIY enthusiasts, small fleet operators, owner-operators, mechanics, professional technicians looking for a versatile tool, anyone who wants to save money and take control of their truck's health. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile diagnostic tool for your heavy-duty truck, the ANCEL X7HD is definitely worth considering. It's packed with features, user-friendly, and can save you a ton of money in the long run. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your truck's health with the ANCEL X7HD. Finally, choosing between these two titans depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you value extensive features, bidirectional control, and live data, the NL102 might be your champion. But if user-friendliness, affordability, and reliable performance are your top concerns, the X7HD could be your perfect match. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.